एक्चुअली मैंने संजीवनी देखा था पर बहुत बचपन में देखा था और तब हम बहुत छोटे थे पर तो मुझे शो इतना ज़्यादा याद नहीं है पर आई थिंक आई रिमेम्बर द फीलिंग ऑफ वाचिंग द शो।
चलो भी मुझे कोई जर्नलिस्ट का रोल ऑफर नहीं कर रहा है।
हाँ बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल। ऑल्सो
मुझे डर लगने लगा था कि अभी जल्दी जर्नलिस्ट बन जाएगी, हमारा काम
yeah, of course, it's always कुछ होता है was something that I would watch a lot. Rahul was my favorite, Anjali was my favorite, and I used to like put the dupatta on and get on my tricycle and then cycle to my Rahul, who was my father at that point.
Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Beat. This is Murtaza Iqbal and today I am with an actress जिन्होंने already हमें उनकी performance से एक show में तो impress कर ही दिया है. Now she's coming up with her next show called Doctors and I'm talking about Niharika Lyra Dutt.
Hello.
Who is here with us today. Hi Niharika, welcome to Filmy Beat.
Thank you so much, Murtaza.
So first of all, of course, I'd like to start by asking, in few days, of course, Doctor is going to be out. Nervous, excitement. What's the feeling right now that you're going through?
I'm always nervous when a show is coming out. Yeah. But I'm also incredibly excited because this is a character I really want people to watch and it's a show that has been made with a lot of love. I'm very, very fond of the director and the entire ensemble cast. And we had a great time shooting it because I thought we were making something very, very special. So I can't wait for people to actually watch it and I hope it finds its audience.
What was your reaction when you first saw the trailer? Because the first shot is you in the trailer.
The first shot is actually Foize Jalali, who's also my
no, it's you.
Is it?
Yeah, I just saw the trailer like 10 minutes ago. So that's why I'm very confident that it's you.
Okay, fine. No, I was excited. I was impressed with myself, if I can say that. I was just like, okay, fine. I don't see Lyra there. I see Dr. K.
Yes.
Yeah, I was happy about that.
You know, of course, whenever we talk about a show based on doctors, the first thing that comes in our mind is Sanjeevni, which maybe we all must have seen in our childhood.
Yeah.
Do you remember that show? And you know, was there anywhere you were also like quite excited क्योंकि संजीवनी देखा था तो अब ये डॉक्टर का रोल करने मिल रहा है?
So actually मैंने संजीवनी देखा था पर बहुत बचपन में देखा था और तब हम बहुत छोटे थे पर तो मुझे शो इतना ज़्यादा याद नहीं है पर I think I remember the feeling of watching the show.
Yeah.
And how I felt and how connected I felt with those characters. So that's something I remember for sure. And then Grey's Anatomy तो हम सबने देखा है. I think नहीं देखा, please देखो कितना.
मैं बहुत ही देशभक्त हूँ. I only watch Indian shows.
अच्छा चलो उसको डिस करने के लिए देख लो. पर हाँ तो वो देखा था तो then I was very excited about Sanjeevni, Grey's Anatomy and then my own little Sanjeevni here in Doctors. So I was very excited about that.
How was it to work with Sharath Kelkar, you know, because I know him, he's a wonderful person, but how is he on the sets and, you know, the great baritone when you must have heard his voice, how was that?
He's absolutely such a fun-loving person
yes.
And at the same time, such a fine actor that it was so magical to perform with him and to also watch him do his thing. And because, I mean, like, it would be zero effort. You know, and we're all sort of really trying and really putting in an effort and really trying to make it look effortless. But I think with him, it truly is effortless. And he was just incredibly warm and welcoming and would also take me aside and we would have our own chats about the craft, about my father and my theatre and then he would also give me a little bit of advice about my career and all, and at that point I had no idea about anything and I was just like, oh ऐसा करना होता है, अच्छा क्या, what? And so he was very like, you know, हक से डांटते थे, which was very, very sweet. And yeah, I can't wait for people to see what he's done in the show.
But when Doctors was offered, were you like happy कि चलो भी मुझे कोई जर्नलिस्ट का रोल ऑफर नहीं कर रहा है?
हाँ बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल. Also
मुझे डर लगने लगा था कि अभी जल्दी जर्नलिस्ट बन जाएगी, हमारा काम
yeah, of course, it's always very relieving when casting directors are calling you for different parts. But yeah, I was very happy with this role actually. The first draft was miles different from the second draft that I read after I got on board because Sahir and Bharat, who also wrote the show, they sort of really tried to write in more to give me more meat, which I felt like is an act of love. and because they had that faith in me, you know. And so the first time I because I do a lot of prep whenever I'm prepping for a character, for the first time I didn't have to plug in any holes with my own imagination, but it was all there in the script, and all I needed to do was just make that my Bible and just learn everything I could from that.
Of course, I would like to know, as I said, Call Me Babe was a show that we saw you earlier. How was that bad? Because, Call Me Babe, though a lot of people thought it would just be about Ananya, but when I saw the show, it was about everyone. Of course, though it was named about her character evolving, but everyone got such good scope to perform. So how was it, of course, after Call Me Babe, how things changed for you?
I think earlier people used to recognize me on the streets
Patal.
for Patal Lok, and then they started recognizing me for Tamara, and it was lovely to see the different demographic that was coming to me now. It was more young girls, and also a lot of boys, actually, young boys, and that was a lot of fun. And I think people were just happy that I could also pull off, although I have done Chuna and that was a comedy, but I think people were a little happy that I could really exist in, and that was a challenge for me as well. And I really wanted to do that well. That yes, of course, I can do possibly gritty, real shows very well, but can I also do fluff well? Can I also exist in that world? A friend of mine had said something about Shah Rukh Khan, which really made a lot of sense to me. That I don't know, that friend was like, I don't know whether he's a good actor or not, but what I know is whatever context you put him in, whatever world you put him in, he fits that world perfectly, and he will sell you that world.
Correct.
And I think that is a huge ask of an actor as well, and that they should be able to fit seamlessly into as many worlds as they're put into. So yeah, I was very, very happy about that.
But also, as an actor, does that give you kind of confidence and validation to be, I have made it to a Dharma production project, even if not a movie, of course, a web series?
No, for sure, yeah. Because when I was a child, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was something that I would watch a lot. Rahul was my favorite. Anjali was my favorite. And I used to like put the dupatta on and get on my tricycle and then cycle to my Rahul, who was my father at that point. And yeah, and I think somewhere along the line, I totally forgot that Karan Johar had directed Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. It was just like its own entity. And then when I got cast for this show, for Call Me Babe, and then I was there at the premiere, that's when it actually hit me. I was just like, I think at some point in time, I did want this for myself, and I manifested it. And I can't believe that it's happening, because once you get into the industry, everything seems a little inaccessible. And you sort of write things off in your mind saying that nahi, ye to possible hi nahi hai, so why should we dream about it? But then I guess it happened, and that was very special.
Because a lot of other actors have spoken about this, that when there is a star in a show, they are not treated much well on the set. Was there any way where you felt maybe doing a Call Me Babe that, okay, there is Ananya who's a star, but we were not treated well, or anything like that? Did you felt any well?
No, yeah, everyone was just so warm. In fact, Colin on the first day of shoot gave all of us custom-made gifts. As in, he went to a bookshop and picked up books for each one of us, according to the likes and dislikes of each one of us, and sent us flowers and sent us chocolates. And even the production house was just incredibly warm. Even if you go to like the Dharmatic office, from the receptionist to the guard, everyone will just treat you with so much love. And I feel like if you treat people with love, hopefully they treat you back with love. So that's been my motto in life, and I had a great time.
So, of course, Doctors is coming next. After that, it's Call Me Babe season 2. I think you guys have started shooting, because
No.
Ananya had posted a picture, so I thought maybe it has started rolling.
That's a Google endorsement that we're all doing.
Okay.
They sort of made it into like a deleted scenes from Call Me Babe. So yeah, I
thought maybe she started shooting. So everyone, I think we all did the stories that Ananya Pandey started shooting for Call Me Babe. So I was like, so what's the schedule like, when it's going to happen?
Nobody knows right now. I think they're still writing. They're still writing. They're still trying to finalize a draft. And yeah, and then when we begin shooting, I guess you will find out from Ananya Pandey's stories.
Or maybe yours.
Or maybe yours.
It was lovely chatting with you. All the best for Doctors and your future projects. And thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much, Murtaza. Thank you.